everybody, how are you guys today? In today's video, I am here with newbie slash JJ boy, the name he hates, slash,
No, not call me JJ. JJ is an OC and he hates that. He hates the name. Ooh,
yeah, whatever he said. Basically, today's video, it's totally not 10 a.m., so that's why my voice is like this. Anyways, today I'm gonna show you a Moon Animator 2 tutorial. Because Lil Johnny here, aka JJ Boy here, he doesn't know how to add camera. So today I'm gonna show you camera. Okay, fine. Newbie, basically does not know how to add, cameras and change faces. So today, I'm gonna show him all of that, and I'm also gonna show you that. So, please subscribe, hit that like button. I said that way too early, but womp. Anyways, yeah. So, when you install Moon Animator 2, you'll have these three buttons in your plugins. Or, if you're using this newer, UI, you would have, you would probably make a new tab for it, like this. Basically, you can use Moon Animator 2, and, yeah. So basically, there is Moon Animator 2, the animating software. There is Easy Weld, so you can, like, basically, you can go ahead and, like, make a prop or a tool connected to, the rig's hand. And then there's Character Inserter, not Builder. Newbie, you have anything to say?
No.
His Discord name is Mulaney, bro. Anyways. So.
That says Melon. That says Melon. It says Melon. Trust.
That's exactly what I heard. Anyways. Yeah, today we are going to be showing a tutorial. So, start off by inserting a rig. In this case, I'm going to be using Character Inserter. I'm going to get Nicholas Ripoff, and I'm also going to be getting Nicholas, the real one. So, I'm going to be animating against these two. So, yeah. So, as you can see, we got the real Nicholas, and then the Nicholas wannabe without glasses. And he has headphones. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna make an animation with these two. I'm not going to be using Easy Weld in this tutorial. I'm going to let you know right now about that. Sorry about that, but I'm not going to be doing that. Too complicated.
Oh,
yeah, like I'm dumb. Still, I'm still learning, my guy. Anyways, Nicholas Ripoff. Anyways, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on Moon Animator 2, and you're gonna see this random screen. It says, none, select rig, and then none again. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on New Moon 2 file, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this plus right here, and what that does is it adds this little menu. This is where you could go ahead and add stuff like models to animate them and stuff. Be aware when exporting a animation, it will I'm not sure about parts, it might, but it might, like, not export it, but at the same time, it might do it, I don't know. It will not change the faces while exporting. It will not show any particles, if you add any particles into this. It will not add any cameras to the animation, because it's just the animation. And, yeah. So, anyways, in this menu, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and, well, you're going to, like, add the rig. How to do this? Click on plus, and click on your rig. You're gonna add animation events, and, you could add any of this if you want. You don't have to. These are just so that you could, like, go ahead and change the scale, color, transparency, or whatever, I don't know. But, yeah, we're gonna add that. And we're also going to add, I clicked on accident, don't worry about that. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna click on this rig, and we're gonna go ahead and add him as well. So now you can animate 2 rigs at once. This is something you cannot do with a normal Roblox animator. And yeah, now you could make them fight if you want or something. I don't know. Make them play Uno. I don't know.
Super fine.
I know, right? Anyways, yeah. So basically, today I'm gonna show you how to add a bunch of stuff and how to use Moon Animator. So, yeah, basically, camera usage. So you're gonna see this button at the top called camera. What you want to do is you want to click on this and you're gonna click on add. Now, what this does is this also adds another property. So you have to scroll more again. This one is camera. Yeah. What you're gonna, if you like use it, it probably won't work. The reason why is because you need this little property of it called C-frame. This C-frame is everything. So if you don't know any keybinds, R is to like switch between the move tool and the rotate tool. Then there is plus, where it's to add a keyframe, and space to play the animation. Those are the basics that you should know. And yeah, do not use the actual Roblox rotate move scale tool. That's not gonna work. You're gonna have to use R. Anyways,
Oh, I think I know that one. I know that one.
yeah.
I know that.
Anyways, camera. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bro. Tell me to stop stuttering, please. Anyways. Oh my gosh, guys! I learned perfect English from getting told to stop stuttering. So now I'm gonna tell you everything. So basically, click on C-frame and position your camera the way you want it to be positioned to start off with. So once you like go ahead and position it, you're gonna click on plus, and then you're gonna move it a little bit to, let's just say right here at 30. Then if you want it to like stay still and then move, you would go ahead and click on two pluses. You would click on right there, and then you'd move a tiny bit right here to move it right there. Otherwise, if you want to just move from the start, just don't add that extra keyframe like the middle one. So yeah, this is what it's gonna look like. So that's how to use cameras. Yeah, just select C-frame and then that's how to use them. Pretty basic, I know. Yeah. Anyways, now we're gonna be animating some rigs. So if you don't know, you could like hover here at the side to like scale it. So just in case you wanted to like the Moon Animator frame to be moved a little bit, you could do that. So yeah, just like Windows. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, while all this is going on, you could go ahead and animate the rigs. So if you're having problem in animating, like, oh, I don't want to see the cutscene, I just want to like see the parts move. Well, what you can do is you can click on Control and then H, and that will not do anything, but that will go ahead and remove the UI. So if you're making like an animation, that's how to get rid of the frame. Click it again, and
oh my.
yeah.
Oh my god, that is. Oh.
I know, right?
Cause I was making an animation while you were talking, and now it looks so much better now that UI.
I know, right? So, anyways, yeah, that's how it works. From that, yeah, control frame. Do not, control frame. What the hell? Okay, all I'm gonna say is do not ever, use control space. If you do that, it will not play the animation. You would have to click it, you would have to click it again, and then it would play the animation. So, yeah, there's that, I guess. Control C does not do anything. I know, right? So cool, right? Just silence. Control C does absolutely nothing, so don't even try. But anyways, let's get to the point. Basically, yeah. We're gonna start animating rigs. I totally did not forget the combination you used to stop the cutscene. I know.
You forgot.
No, I totally did not. Let's just animate the rigs. Anyways, so right here, we're going to go ahead and animate the rigs. So right here, we're going to go ahead and click on this. And then, if you don't know, I'm gonna say it again. Clicking on R switches from like the move to the rotate, and this is what you're gonna be using. Just be aware. Once you get used to this, you may start doing that without doing animation, like modeling, and then you'll realize that you have to actually click on the buttons, and then you'll get a habit of that. And then when you use them in Animator 2, you would exit out of it by clicking on those. So, yeah, just know everything, I guess. Anyways, right here, we're gonna go ahead and make it, where, Nicholas just straight up moves his head right here. So we're gonna add a keyframe right here, and we're gonna go back to the beginning, also add that keyframe. So then, yeah, it just stays like that. Then right here, at like 60, we're going to go ahead and make his head turn to, like, you know, to the Nicholas ripoff. So, like, right there. So, yeah, there's that. We're gonna go ahead and, so, to save your animation, what you gotta do is you wanna click on File, you're gonna click on Save, and then you're gonna name your animation whatever. We're gonna say, Nicholas ripoff. And then, after that, also click on Save As, and then, click on OK. Now, if you want to export your animations, what you got to do is you want to click on export rigs, but don't click on that yet. Okay, just don't. Anyways, now since we saved it, you can go ahead and exit out of Moon Animator. I know, right? Anyways, so next I'm gonna teach you how to use how to change the faces during the animation. I know, super scary, right? I know. Anyways, what for this tutorial, you need to go to Toolbox. You don't have to, it is recommended though. And you're gonna go ahead and type in face pack. Literally just search up face pack. And after that, yeah, you're gonna get some face packs. Newbie, what is a critty? What am I saying? Anyways, yeah, face packs. If you want better face packs, just type in face, because, yeah, you'll get way more. I recommend just typing in face, because there's quite a bit here, as you can see. But anyways, I'm gonna be using the, Day's, sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, face pack. So, yeah, this one is used in a lot of animations from animators, I'm not gonna lie, because, well, you could add F, why am I saying F? I'm going to crash out, bro, I'm sorry. Anyways, yeah, you could add, faces and stuff, as you can see here, and you could also make your own, like, eyes, I guess, to make it a little bit realistic. So, yeah, we're gonna be using this face pack. So, these are actually decals, and, what you're gonna do is, we're gonna make him look at the Nicholas ripoff, and Nicholas is gonna be angry, I guess. So, we're gonna go here to the face pack, and then, we're gonna grab this face. So what you're gonna do is you wanna, double click on this face, yeah, basically, we're going to, you're going to see the properties here at the Explorer, right under the Explorer, properties. It could be on your left, I don't know, maybe you customized it, I don't know. But, yeah, here on texture, you're going to copy, the entire thing, not just the ID, the entire thing. So, after doing that, now you got a face, so, cool. Anyways, so, you're going to go over here, back to the rigs. You're going to go to Moon Animator 2. We're going to go ahead and click on Nicholas, and then you're going to yeah, you're gonna click on Nicholas ripoff. After that, you're back in your animation. So right here, we're gonna make Nicholas look at the ripoff. So right here, we're gonna select his head, click on a plus again. That probably, yeah, that did something. Okay, so right here, we're gonna make it where he actually looks at him. I'm sorry, my studio speed is way too fast. I hate that it increases. Anyways, yeah, right here, he's going to, like, look right here. And then at 75, he's gonna pick up his head a little bit. So it's like a bouncing effect a little bit. So right here. And, yeah. So now, customizing the face. This does take a second. What you gotta do is you wanna click on the plus. You gotta go into Explorer. You wanna, like, open up Nicholas. And you're gonna go ahead and click his head. And click on face. And then you gotta add this. Yay. Except that, it can't be transparency. Well, it can, but, like, don't click on that. I want you to click on texture. Specifically texture on that. Because now you could change the texture. Super cool, right? Are you ignoring me, newbie?
Oh no, I'm just working on it.
Yeah, guys. See? It's such a good tutorial. Anyways, yeah. Right here, this is basically what it looks like. He just lagged out. I don't know what he said. But basically, yeah, right here, we're going to make him change faces. So right here, we're going to go ahead and add a texture at the beginning, like that. And then right here where it stops, we're going to add another face where it changes. So, usually, it would, like, fade like any other object. Like, it would just move from the beginning to there, but since this is a texture, it's not going to fade it out into the newer face. It's going to actually just be exactly how you expect it to be, like the Roblox constant animation type. I forgot what they're called. I'm dumb. I'm sorry. Anyways, the texture that face ID that you went ahead and copied, this is where you're gonna need to change it. So double click on the you're gonna click on the keyframe on the texture on the face, and this is it's gonna pop up a little mini menu. It's gonna say string, edit keyframes, and then the ease. Don't worry about the ease. We need the string. This is where you go ahead and paste it. By using Control V paste and stuff, and Control C copies stuff. So right there, that's where it changes his face. So this is what it looks like. Now he officially changed his face. Wow. So cool. I know. And then we're gonna make it right here at 83. It changes again. We're gonna go ahead and save this. So we could exit out now. And we're gonna go ahead and select a different face. So, yeah, we're gonna make, we're gonna look for a angry face. So, yeah, once we find one, yeah, we can add it. I think I'm dumb or something, or I just can't find anything. Yeah. There's no angry faces here, I don't think. Dang. And this is where other face packs come in clutch. Yeah. So, what you're gonna do is you're also gonna look again, maybe, find more face packs and look for something that you want. Yeah, because there's quite a bit. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, this face right here speaks to me, so, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. Go ahead and copy this and the face ID, and then you're gonna go back to the moon animator and add another face so you can see it change. Nicholas ripoff. Yeah. As you can see, we're gonna click on the keyframe, like double click, and then you're gonna paste the face ID again, so it will change again. Yay. And that's basically how to change faces. Super cool, I know. Yeah. This is the animation. So, yeah, we're not officially completely done. Let's just say you wanted the Nicholas ripoff to straight up, disappear. Like, make him straight up disappear. Well, you can do that. So we're gonna click on rig. What?
No, let me. That was.
Okay, anyways, you're gonna select the rig, and then you're gonna make a keyframe on all of them. So just like that. You don't have to individually click on every single part. All you have to do is you want to click on rig. After that, you're gonna make it like this, and then right here, we're gonna add another keyframe, and then he's gonna casually disappear. So we're gonna make this one right here, and we're gonna click on we're gonna click on the rig. We're gonna select all of this like that, and then click on 7, and that's not gonna do anything. I know, right? Anyways, what you gotta do is you wanna click on the dot right there, and you wanna click on transparency, and then click on OK. Now you can change the transparency. So yeah, don't worry about the rigs. I'm just dumb. So yeah, go back to your keyframes that you selected and go ahead and add them. And right here, I want him to disappear. So now you're gonna click on that, and the number transparency, 1 is invisible, 0 is visible. So we're gonna make it 1 so he turns invisible. So just like that. So this is what the animation looks like. Yeah, he just randomly disappears. Super cool, but yeah, that's how it works. I know, right? So cool. Anyways, so yeah, that's how to add a camera, how to animate rigs, how to change faces, and also how to make rigs invisible. This will also work with parts. So we're gonna save this as how it is right now. So just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and spawn in a part. Yeah, we're just going to add a part. That's it. A simple part. I'm going to change the size though, to maybe like 111. So instead of 412, we're gonna do 111, and that will give us a tiny cube. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, yeah, we're going to take this cube, and we're going to basically make it go under the base plate. So we're gonna put it like right there, I guess. Maybe like move it inside the rig. So we're gonna put it like right there. And basically, it's going to look like this. Super glitchy. But don't worry about that. It doesn't matter. What matters is the animation itself. So yeah, we got a bunch of random stuff happening. But now, we could finally add a face. So we're going to go ahead and click on add item. And we're going to click on the part right here. We're going to click on animation events. And we're going to click on OK. And now we have the part. So yeah, the part is now officially in the animation. What we're gonna do is right here, we're going to make the part straight up like below the map. So we're gonna click on R, and then we're gonna move it down here. And then basically right here, when the animation stops, the block just appears out of nowhere. It just floats up, and then Nicholas is gonna look up. Yeah, we're gonna make this just straight up fly out of here. So like, goodbye. So yeah, this is what it looks like. He disappears and a random part comes out of nowhere. So yeah, pretty cool. And then right here, we're gonna select the head of Nicholas. And we're gonna make him look up, like, what is that? You following, Johnny?
Yes.
Sorry for calling you that. Right here, he's just gonna look up. Just like that. And then we're gonna select the camera. and we're gonna make this straight up like look up. So it's going to go and look up with this animation. So it's going to basically be right here. Click on that. So yeah, this is what we got. Really chaotic animation. I don't even know what's going on here. But yeah, this is our animation. I know, pretty cool. Yeah, I guess that's all I. Huh?
It's basically my avatar slash Roblox. I was just throwing a player on a, just throwing somebody on a. I had used face. I changed his face. I used the camera thing like you said, and I'm pretty sure this animation looks good for like the start of whenever.
Yeah, I'm going to post this little animation here on YouTube if you want to see it again, I guess. And yeah, thank you for watching this little tiny tutorial. If you want more tutorials, I guess comment down below, please. And thank you, newbie, for going ahead and listening to my yapping session.
No problem.
Did this teach you? What did this teach you?
It taught me camera animation. It taught me animate faces. Also taught, and that's pretty much.
Still learn something. So yeah, guys. This is the animation. So yeah, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys later.